Could we see the Coenen brothers at the Southwick round of the AMA Pro Motocross Series? I'm just going to say I certainly hope so. I mean, these are two young, competitive, fast racers who have been attached with the idea of possibly coming over here for, the future. Who knows? You kind of follow the Vial or Prado train, I guess you could say. And this little cryptic post, well, obviously a helmet, wrist guards, and the little USA right on the side of it. I hope this happens. I mean, if it doesn't, who knows? I mean, it's just kind of one of those things. I think they've got like a 2 week break off from the MXGP series or MXGP and MX2 series, respectively. So if they can come over here and race for one weekend, it would be a cool, hopefully, look into the future. And obviously, Southwick is a hard round. I mean, deep sand, normally very, very hot. And for these guys, it'd be a really good marker, I guess you could say, or a future marker of where they fall. I mean, if you got one in the 450 class, one in the 250 class, they're going to be right into the tops. I mean, you'd have to expect it. If these guys moving over here to be right at the podium, top 5 podium win, if it happens, it's going to be incredible. I mean, just even if they don't do great, it's a fun little side thing. Where do the Europeans fall into this series? That's a few rounds in, everyone's kind of finding their stride. Where do these guys fit into the championship battle? I mean, obviously, they're not really in the championship, but they could be there to spoil some points if, they come ahead of Deegan or if they come ahead of anybody else. Was it Shimoda in second, I think? It's going to be a, point spoiler. And I don't think they really will. Personally, it'd be one of those very hard things to just jump into a series, a track you probably never, I doubt they've ever ridden, bikes that are going to be new to them, and teams, I guess, technically, because I doubt they're bringing everybody over. They would be bringing everybody over. But this would be exciting. I mean, obviously, with Prado coming over, Vial coming, or having been here for a little while now, you're starting to see some of the bigger names at MXGP, making the move or talking about making the move. I mean, I'd be very excited about this, whether they do it in the future for, the whole series, or if this is just a little feeler thing of where do we even want to try this. To me, it's exciting. I'd be all down for it. But so I'm gonna leave you guys. Comment down below. Do you think they will? Do you want them to? Would you, be excited to see it? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helps me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.